Welcome to this YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at how to combine data from multiple sheets. I have two sheets here, data 1 and data 2, and our role, what we are going to do is to combine those two datas into this sheet called combine. So let's see how we go about this. I'm going to show you two approaches. One will be using the filter function, and the other one will be using the curly braces. So using the curly braces, we just do like so, and then we go to our first data, Control Shift down, like so. Then semicolon. Okay, we have to close the first curly brace here, semicolon. Then we go to our second set of data, to the right, all down, close that, and say OK. As you can see now, this is our combined set of data. Total number of rows we have 79. We check. This one has 40, including the header, and this one has 40. 40 plus 40 is 80, minus one header, we get 79. So this way we can combine our data using this approach. Now, the second approach you can use is using the filter function. So we're going to say filter, and the filter function takes two more than, at least the mandatory arguments are two, a range and a condition, and the other conditions are optional. So in our first case, we select our first set of data, control down, and then we put a condition. The condition is going to be if we have a row, a column that should not be 0, we can use that. Just copy this to, if I use my first column, and I say I'm filtering as long as the values are not null. I close the curly braces, semicolon to go to another row. I'm going to copy this and change it for my second set of data. So my second set of data is on data 2. Sheet is called data 2. And the number of rows are the same. And then I close my brackets like so. Total count we have here is 79. Here we have 40. And here we have 40. 80 minus 1 head that remain with 1, that is 79. So in this way, I've shown you two approaches we can use to combine data. Hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching and have a great day.